Hello beautiful people, welcome to this new tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to migrate a site that was created in a local host to a live site. There are many ways to do that, and I find that this one is very easy if you are a beginner or if you don't want to waste too much time. So I'm going to show you right now. This is my normal installation. I have nothing on it. And right here is a website that I created on a local host, on a local environment. I'm going to go to my backend, and then I'm going to plugins, and now I'm going to add a new plugin. The name of the plugin is WP Vivid Backup. Okay, so it should be this one. Okay, now let's activate it. And this plugin should be installed in both sites. I already have it in my live site. It's right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the database plus the files. Now I'm going to do a backup now. And here you can see the progress. As you can see right now is 0%. Okay, finished. Actually, I paused the video and I resume it now that is complete. So I'm going to download this backup. This is part 1. And it says part 2 here, but I don't know what that is. So I'm going to come now to my other site, to my live site. And I'm going to go to settings. So let's scroll down. Let's go to upload. And then I'm going to select the backup. What was the name of it? I forgot. Let's see. Control J. That was local. I'm going to upload it. And here again, I'm going to pause the video because my internet connection is not the fastest. All right, so it finished uploading, and now it's time for me to tell you a little secret. I haven't used this plugin yet. This is the first time using it, so I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if it's going to work or not. So I'm going to hit restore, and I'm going to cross my fingers. And if it works, spoiler here, if you are looking at this video, it's because it worked. Now it's doing something. Actually, I'm not really sure what am I supposed to see here. Maybe a success message. Maybe it's going to log me out because it's not the same user. So let's wait and see what happens here. All right, so it finished. Now what I see here, oh, it logged me out. But according to what I saw right there, oops, different password. Let's see if I remember what my password is. Man, you know what? I don't really need to log in. I just need to take a look at the front end. So let's see. Yes, it worked. Awesome. Great. It is exactly the same. Look. Take a look at the URL martel.yosionline.com, and this is my local host. So yes, it is exactly the same. I didn't have to update the URLs. According to what I saw right there, it was updating the URL, so you don't need to do search replace with WP CLI. Yeah, it looks like everything is loading fine. So you know what? I'm surprised. Normally, when you try a plugin for the first time, you may come across some errors or maybe some configurations, but I'm really surprised. This was really straightforward. I mean, as you saw, they didn't have a lot of crazy options to choose from. It was very straightforward. So I like this plugin. I'm gonna give it 5 thumbs up. I don't know how to do that. I don't know if I can do that. But yeah, if you like the video, if you think this is gonna be useful for you, you can like my video, you can share it. That way you're gonna help me. And let me know if you want me to upload any video doing something that you would like to do in WordPress. I know my microphone quality is not the greatest, but as long as I can upload a video that is useful, yeah, I think you can cope with that. You can cope with that. share it, like it, and see you on the next one.